Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a get ready with me. As you can tell, this is the look, this is the hair, and I'll show you guys the outfit. So let's get straight into the video. So first I start off with my primer by Gosh, same primer that I've always used in my other makeup video tutorials. Here's some kind of powder, just got into the beauty blender. Don't know. So here I use my number 7 skin illuminator. This helps you give that glowy kind of feel. I basically mix it with my foundation, and here I kind of put too much on my face. So I use my number 7 foundation in Honey. Yeah, Honey. I feel like my exposure is way too high. I should really lower that down. So yeah, I just blend my foundation with my beauty blender. So here I am using my number 7 concealer. I started using this recently and I am loving it. Now onto the contouring. I use my GRWM contour stick. I've always used this. I love the consistency of this, and yeah, definitely recommend this. It depends on your face shape as well, like what suits your face best. And then I use my contour brush and blend it in. My trick to it is to like pat it into your face. Don't like, you know, try to blend it in or whatever, just like pat, 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 pat. Using my eyebrow gel just to put the hairs in place. I feel like this makes a really big difference, especially if you have stubborn eyebrow hair like me. Now I'm using my L'Oreal microblading eyebrow pen. Honestly, I've started using this recently and I love how it gives you this natural look. It almost looks like you got your eyebrows microbladed. So with this, I just like brush it through the hairs. It just makes your eyebrows look much more natural. It makes it look like you have more hair on your eyebrows. So definitely recommend this product. So I'm just going over my eyebrows with concealer just to give them that definition. So here I'm just adding a bit of dark brown powder just to give it a bit of more pop. So here I'm using my eyeshadow palette by Lottie London, and it is the same palette that I use in every other video. I don't know what shade this is, but it's like an orangey colour. So here I was trying to decide what colour to use, and I guess I used that colour. Kind of wanted a dark eye kind of look, but as you can see towards the end, it didn't really go that way. I was kind of just experimenting. I didn't really know what I was doing, but you know. So here I'm just adding a lighter shade in my inner corners. God knows why, but I just felt like doing it. Here I'm using concealer to just tidy up the eyeshadow part, just so that I don't look like a panda. I always forget this part, but this time I remembered. Don't forget to put eyeshadow on your lower lash line. Kind of completes the look, kind of ish. Now onto highlighting, my favorite part, and I use the same highlighter in Gold by MUA. Then I use a smaller brush to get into the smaller parts. Now onto mascara. I use quite a lot of it, and I feel like mascara is an essential. Now onto my eyeliner. I just do a little wing, I don't do the full thing. Just add like a little tick at the end of my eye, because why not? I feel like my eyes are quite small as well, so it kind of like makes them look a bit bigger, elongated, you know, it adds that swoosh to it. See what I mean? Now onto lips. I use this lip liner that has no name or brand on it, so I have no idea where it's from, but this is like my go-to. I wear this every day and it matches my lip color. It's honestly, it's like so creamy as well. So this lipstick is from Barry M. It is into the shade Nude. So here I'm just taking out the clips. I put in clips there because of my little hairs that do not like to stay down. They always tend to go up. So this is me attempting to put eyelashes on. They're strips from Eyelure. So here I'm just putting gel in my hair just to keep the hairs in place, make it look sleek and whatnot. So here, as you can see, I'm wearing hair extensions. I curled the extensions. It's kind of my first time wearing extensions, so in it now, I probably wouldn't wear them like that just because I feel like it's heavy on my head and I feel like it damages the roots of my hair. So it was a nice experience though. It was nice to see how it would look like with long hair. This is the makeup look. What do you guys think? I literally did my makeup so quick. I'm actually quite surprised, and it actually turned out quite decent. My hair, it was already wavy, and basically I gelled down my hair, tried to get it as flat as I can, and then I added extensions just to add some length. I got my hair from Lula Bells. Check them out on Instagram. So this is the outfit. I got this dress from Pretty Little Thing. It's ribbed, it's knitted. The sleeves are like this, and then you can adjust this, and honestly it is like such a nice dress. It fits nicely, it fits perfectly. The shoes are from Ego. They are so nice, but they are very uncomfortable. Alright guys, so that is my get ready with me. Hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys like the look, the outfits, and all of that. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!